Okay, so hi everyone. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you, everyone. So, how are you all doing, guys? How are you all, and how is everything going at your end, everyone? Yes, so how are you guys? How are the things going at your end, and how are you all exactly? I want everyone to be active in the chat box, guys, so that you can just help me out with the answers which I'm asking you all. And yeah, further with that, we can proceed into the class as well for today, right? So, um, as in for today, the things which we are having up is, uh, yeah, fine. So you can save up to 50% off with your 4 months of free extension on the GATE CS and IT subscriptions. So you all know that the GATE CS and IT is right away gonna happen in February, and for like exactly all the exams for the GATE is gonna happen up very soon. So you are getting up to 50% off with up to 4 months of free extension for your courses of GATE CS and IT. So for that, what you have to do, you just have to join the Brahmas Plus and the mission batches for your GATE and PSUs 24 and 25, which is going to start on 30th of November 2023. It means just after 2 days, as of today is 28. So 29 and 30, the batch will start in. So there are two types of the subscription which we provide, Plus and the Iconic, right? So the duration is again the same for the Plus and Iconic both. 6 plus 1 free month, 12 plus 2 free months, 15 plus 3 free months, 24 plus 4 free months, right? Duration is absolutely same. And here it goes with the amounts. What is like difference between the durations and the things to say? So yeah, here you just have to go ahead with the things and here what the difference comes in terms of the amount. Even there are a few things which you get in Plus, a few which you get in Iconic, you don't get them in the Plus. So yeah, there is something like that. So for saving up to 50% off for the next 4 months with a free extension, you just have to use up the code which is unlock20. So with this code which is unlock20, you can get up the maximum discount for all of your courses of GATE, CS and IT for the subscriptions of the same, right? So if you have any doubts, you can always reach out to 8585858585 and they're going to help you out with all the things, whatever are needed in terms of any doubts which you have or for the easy process for enrolling into the courses or any kind of a thing like that. So again, I was saying you can see up to 50% off with the 4 months of free extensions over here. Okay, hey Deep, very good evening Deep. Okay, I'm very good, Puneet. Thank you so much for asking. Any test series? Yeah, Puneet, we have a test series. I'll just introduce you to that test series in next 2 to 3 months, okay? So you can save up to 50% off with the 4 months of free extension on the GATE Series and IT subscription. Now, what's the difference between the Plus and the Iconic, which I showed you previously? So for the Plus, the benefits which you get for the Plus benefits, those you get in the Plus and Iconic both, okay? Talking about your high quality printed notes, you do not get them in the Plus, but you get them in the Iconic. Talking about one-on-one live mentorship, you do not get it in the Plus, but you get it in the Iconic. Customized doubt solving, do not get it in the Plus, but you get them in the Iconic. So these are the benefits which are differentiated between the Plus and Iconic, which you get up over here. So the code which you can use up for here is unlock20, which is right away going on. And this offer is only and only valid till 30th of November. So everyone make sure that just you try to enroll to this particular course as soon as possible, right? So here we go with the Bhramhastra Plus batch for the GATE 2024 CS and IT. It's starting on 30th November. Language will be very flexible, Hindi and English both. Okay, it will be for the CS and this will be your batch number D. So you will be starting on with the operating systems and then engineering mathematics. Okay. So, and this is the mission. This is the batch for your GATE and PSUs 2025 for the CS and IT. Okay, so that you get it on November of 30th, Hindi plus English, CS, and the batch number is going to be batch number F. So, you'll be starting with the operating system and the COA. So, this is for all the Iconic subscriptions, that the people who will be taking the Iconic subscriptions, they will be getting these books delivered into their home within 15 days. So, the Iconic subscription people will get these hard copy of all these books of the topics mentioned up over here at their addresses in 15 days. So you can just study online too, and you will be having up the books as well for studying out the things. Okay. So the books will be of your digital logics, operating system, programming, data science, theory of computation, computer networks, database management system, compiler design, computer organization architecture, discrete mathematics, algorithm, engineering mathematics, and aptitude. Okay, so you get all of these books over here with the iconic subscriptions. One second. So yeah, nothing can stopping you from chasing up your GATE CSE and IIT dream. Okay. So you can get started even with the no-cost EMIs and the 0% interest rate onto the loan for as low as rupees 3,599 per month. So in case you cannot provide a complete amount at one go, so you can just go with the per month of EMIs, which will be as low as 3,599. So the process is very simple. You just get out this approval in the 2 hours, you get the minimal paperwork too, and the tenures are as well flexible. Okay, and these are all the people who already cracked out the GATE 2023. So many congratulations to everyone, and these are the Unacademy learners who have cracked it. So you will be the one very soon as well. And for that, what do you have to do? You have to just study properly, and even you can just look out over the courses as well, which Unacademy is providing you. So I'll just brief you about the same ones. So see, here you're having these exclusive batches for the DS and AI also. Okay, for the DS and AI GATE 2024, you have these for the same. Okay. So here into this, these are the complete kind of the syllabus which is being told you over here. You're having the sessions, languages. When will the X's be finished up, right? So these are all even scheduled classes which are over there and about all of those particular things. So you can just join in this batch over here. Okay, you can just join in this batch as soon as possible. The amount is 7,999 only. You're getting this off because over here my code is already applied, which is SHA10. Okay. So if you want this to be at the minimal cost, you can just use in my code, which is SHA10, and with that code you will surely get this complete course absolutely at a very minimal amount. Okay, and this is the Bhramhastra's batch, which is going for GATE 24 CSE and IIT batch number D, which will be starting on 30th of November, as I was telling you over the same. So here you're even having the demo classes. You can just go ahead and watch out these free demo classes which are over the same. You are having a lot of details about the educator syllabus, what you will be getting, what you will not be getting, everything you have over here. So you can just go and check out those things. Okay, so this is one for the GATE PSUs. Okay, CS and IT is the batch number F, which I was talking about the GATE and PSUs 2025. So the people who are interested in the GATE and PSUs for 2025, they can just check out this particular website. Okay, you have all of the things, and anywhere you want, you can apply my code, which is SHA10, and with that you'll be getting up the some off onto your prices for the same, and you can just go with that one. Okay, Puneet asked me about this test series. So here you are getting this Virat, that is GATE CS 2024 test series by the Unacademy educators. Right, so it is going to start from 1st of December. Okay, you'll be having in total 55 mock tests over here. Okay, and this is all written and what it will be all about. You'll be having a lot of questions to solve out into this. You'll be having a lot of things to do. Right, so this Virat is a GATE 2024 test series by the Unacademy educators. So the schedule is about the syllabus to match your exam preparations, regular tests to excel preparations, and detailed test analysis for every test. So you'll be having a mock test twice a week. Okay, the test series access will end on to 29th of February. So here you can check out the complete schedule too. Syllabus will be general aptitude, engineering mathematics, and CS and IT. So from here you can just go ahead and buy the test series too. Okay. So yeah, this is the test series which is right away going on. Okay. And here you even get the digital notes and the test series both over here as a combo. So that you get it 6,999 only. Okay. Previously you were only getting the test series at 3,000. But if you just want to go ahead and take this digital notes for the GATE CSIT and even the test series also, you get all of those things into 6,999. Fine. So this is all written that what you will be getting on, what are the test series, what other things you will be having up over here. So you can just check out all these. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to 8585858585 and they'll be really happy to solving your doubts or solving your issues. Okay. Great. It was okay. Puneet, eco voice. Okay, guys, I am not sure why is the voice not okay. Even there, actually, there is something a little bit of background noise too. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just try to check this once. Um, just a minute. Okay, just try checking it once and then let me know, okay? Fine. So, our complete DSA was done. I'll just show you the PPT once. Let me go over here. I just opened a PPT with the DSA and just let me check it. Yeah, fine. So yeah, as I was talking about, we were already done with the complete data structures and algorithms. Okay, we are completely done with the same. We learned about a lot of things. We learned about the stacks, queues, heaps, trees, linked lists. We learned about all of these things, right? Then we went on to the searching algorithm in terms of linear search, binary search, selection sorting. Then we went to the sorting, bubble sort, insertion sort, quick sort, right? The merge sort. And then we even watched about the graph theory. Into this, we learned about the BFS in detail also. How is this complete, like the theories and everything was going on, right? So, before going forward with any kind of the practice questions for today, I just want to know from you people, is there anything which you want me to repeat in terms of the DSA portion? Is there anything which anyone wants me to repeat in terms of DSA? Guys, just help me with the answer. Is there anything which you people want me to repeat in terms of the DSA? Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, if there is nothing as in terms of the same, see, actually, let me know one more thing. What do you want me to next start in? For the GATE series, for the GATE DS and AI, what next you want me to bring onto the YouTube? Um, yeah, Vivek, we already covered about the recursions. Right, so I was just talking about, yeah, let me know what next do you want me from, in terms of GATE DS and AI syllabus onto the YouTube sessions. You want to go with SQL, you want to go with machine learning, you want to go with statistics and probability. Let me know what exactly do you all want. Just let me know, then I'll go over here. Okay, fine, Puneet, fine. Okay, so with machine learning, okay. Rest everyone, just be a little quick in answering me out. What exactly do you want? Until the time, I'll just open the Google Colab. Okay, probability. Okay, probability, okay. Yeah, till the time everyone, just open in your Google Colabs as well because we'll be practicing a few questions of DSA. Okay, fine. So I guess everyone remembers about the searching sorting algorithms which we have already done, right? Which we have already seen onto the things, onto this live sessions. I hope everyone remembers that, right? So fine. Okay, what I'll do, I would just try to give you a very simple program to write down. Okay, I would just ask you to write a Python program to interchange first and last element. Element in our list. Now, this is a question for everyone, guys, which you all have to solve in here. Solving, like, you have to solve this question with me over here into the slide session, okay? So my very first question which we will be doing up over here is that we have to write a Python program for interchanging the first and the last element in our list. Okay, now I would just give you guys 1 or 2 minutes to think over and let me know in the chat box how will you be approaching this question. I am not asking you to give me the complete program, okay? Just let me know ki yeah, just let me know how will you be approaching this particular question. Like, what will be the method for you to like solve this particular question? What functions will you apply, or what technique will you apply? Just let me know that in the chat box, everyone. I'm just giving you time, so in that case, I want the response from you guys. Okay, just start writing and thinking. How will you interchange the first and the last element into a list? What is the procedure? How will you be interchanging the first and last element in a list? So, you know, like always I used to say if you have to solve a question, first we'll try to think that how this particular question can be solved. Like what's the method or what's the thing or it is how this particular question can be solved. And if you are like very much clear with how this question can be solved, then in that particular case you won't you won't get out any questions, anything like this thing. You'll be able to write a complete program also onto your own. But yeah, at the very starting, you have to think in how to solve this particular question. Okay. Go to text says area of 0, area of minus 1 is equal to area of minus 1, area of 0. Okay. Fine. What next approach you can solve in, guys? This is one of the approaches which is right. Right? This is a right approach. Now, except this, what other approaches you can have in? Punit, swap list, new list, minus 1, new list minus 1, new list of 0, return list. Acha, again the swapping thing, right? Okay, fine, Puneet. Yeah, swapping is something which you can do. Absolutely right, both of you. So yeah, here for this particular question, it's very easy. What do you just have to do? You just have to swap up the two numbers, right? And that is done. You just have to swap the first and the last number. I'll just very quickly write this down. Swap. Let's say this is my function, okay? And my list is L1. So inside that, I'll just say L1 of 0, comma, L1 of minus 1 is equal to L1 of minus 1, comma, L1 of 0, right? It will be interchange, and then I'll be returning the list, that is L1. Coming out of my function, I would just very quickly write the define my list as that is L1, and let us 7 1 4 9 2. Okay, and I'll be just calling in my function. So print, my function is swap, and it will be L1. Once we'll be running this. So yeah, my first and the last number from my list has been swapped out. So in place of my first number, that was 7, as a result I'm getting 2, and in place of the last number, which was 2, I'm getting there as 7. Right, so yeah, this is a very simple approach for solving out this question. Even this is one of the best approaches, which I would say you can just use this approach for solving out the question like this. Right? Okay. Fine, now let's proceed in further. Okay, my next question to you is, you have to reverse our string. You have to write a Python program for reversing up our string. Everyone, you have to write a program for reversing up your string. Now again, just use your brain. This is a very simple program, and while I was teaching you strings now, at that time I told you the one line method for how to reverse a string. For I in range 0, comma length of s 2 plus 1. For reversing 0 to length. Okay, yeah, sorry, that is okay, but inside that also, now you will like kind of give some idea that what will be done inside the for loop. You applied a condition that it should go from this range to that range, right? Now, what will be done inside this for loop? That also just help me out with a little bit. Till the time, rest everyone, let me know how will you be solving this question of reversing a string. Guys, trust me, this is a one single line answer. Just a one single line answer for this complete program. Okay, for I in range s of I is equal to s of length of s minus 1 minus I. Okay. Go to take a string you are having. Str is equal to, you set down to the list. Str is equal to str colon minus 1. Str is equal to 200. Yeah, right. Go to take. Now you are giving it the correct which I was asking about and which I was wanting to listen like. Listen from you all, and that is key. You can just simply use that colon minus 1 which you had in previously, na, which go to take actually wrote up into the second line, which is str in the bracket colon minus 1, right? Yeah, absolutely, that particular thing you can use, and that is only the correct method for reversing out the string. Okay. So whenever you have are exactly having up a string, what I'll just show you a quick example. So my underscore str, let's say string is my name. I'm just putting my name over here, right? So what you could just do, you can just do print my underscore str, put the large brackets and do colon minus 1, right? And when you will be running this complete program, so in that case, see what you got? You got the reverse of my string. So this program was as simple as that. You do not require any for loop or any kind of a thing in that case, guys, right? Because this respective program can be done very easily. So I don't think so there is any kind of a need for why is this opened over here? Yeah, so I don't think so there is any kind of need for applying any for loop or any kind of a thing like that. So as long as a string you want to give, you can give, it will convert the whole, it will reverse up the whole string for you, right? So yeah, everyone, am I clear that how do you reverse your string in the most easy manner? Everyone, am I clear with this thing? Like, what's the method? How you can just write a very simple program for the reversing of a string? Okay. My next program will be to sum all the elements of our tuple. So what do I want? I just want that my tuple will be having, let's say, 1, 2, 3 as a elements, right? So what I just want in the final result, I just want the addition of 1, 2 and 3. So that will result me as 6. This is what is my program all about. I just have to find sum of all the elements of a tuple. Now this is a very, very, very easy program, guys. You are having just one concept to apply and your complete program will be done, right? So yeah, go ahead everyone and let me know the answer. Sum is equal to 0 for I. In tuple, sum plus equal to I print sum. Okay, Souvik, right? Go to take sum of tuple. Okay, go to take, just give it a try. Will the sum function work on a tuple or not? Give it a try. Okay. Yeah, rest everyone. So how do you do that particular about the sum of all the elements of a tuple? A few of you have given the answer. I just want everyone to give me the answer. Sum of tuple. Right, absolutely okay. Okay, fine, go to take. Okay, fair enough. So I would just find these simple programs as of now. Okay, I would just leave these programs in terms of not maybe writing about those. Let's further move ahead and just check out a few of the other things to learn about, right? Okay, I told you about the single and the double linked list also, right? I just told you about the single linked list and a double linked list also, right? Okay, now let's try you like a very trickier kind of a program. Okay, let's see how do you people think about solving that particular question. Okay, again I'm saying you don't need to give me the complete answer or complete solution in terms of any Python program. No, I'm not looking for that as of now. I just want to see that how much far you can think of about solving of these types of the questions, because see, into your sample paper 2, there was a kind of a question to which you were given a program and you just have to tell what will be the output of that particular program, right? So in that case, I am just trying to build up that particular thing into you. If you get a program or if you get a question too, you can write your own program also, and even you can predict the output also of any of the programs. Okay. So yeah, that is what exactly as of now I am trying to do. Fine. So let's try writing up a program for your okay. Okay, I'll just give you a very simple program. I just want you to explain me the working of a linear search. As of now, just let me know how does a linear search works. Nothing more than that I want you to ask. Okay, first of all, let me that how does a linear search works? What's the method for a linear search to work? What is the exact way? How do we use this linear search? Because we always have an algorithm for all of the like these things, right? For all of these searching sorting algorithms. Maybe a pseudocode kind of a thing. So anyone who can provide me with that? Okay, Mohammed Wajid, we search in big O of n. Okay. That is a time complexity. But I want you to let me know how does the linear search works. Go ahead, everyone. This is not something to sit down and for I to n, if k is equal to area of y, return. Okay. Rupesh, it helps us to search linearly. Okay, fine, Rupesh. Okay, go to take array is equal to 4, 5, data 3 for I in range, length of array if data is equal to area of I, return data found, otherwise return data not found. Okay. So we keep on traversing each element in order, and as soon as we find it, return the index and breakout. Okay, yeah, absolutely right, everyone. Yes, this is what linear search is all about. So during the linear search, you keep on trying to find the elements in the scene, right? And as soon as you like find out the element and like at what position that element is, it will stop the complete loop over there and return you the index of that element as the final output. That is what is done in your linear search, right? It's better to use binary search for better time comparison. Yeah, right, Vajit, absolutely right. That is the only reason, right? There was a few of the like glitches in the linear search. That was only the reason that binary search has been introduced, right? So that's the complete okay thing. But yeah, even before that, we need to understand what is linear search as well and how does that works, right? And yeah, that is absolutely true. Okay, fine. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now let's say I give you a case over here. Okay, let's say I give you a case. My case is, let's say I have a array with me, right? Now into that array, I just have to find the find the index of my middle element. Read my question, understand my question. I have a list, binary search only for sorted, other at times linear will only appear. My question is, I have an array with me. I want to find the index for the middle value of my array. Now, how will you be writing or how will you be answering this complete question? Let me know, everyone. What is the method which you will be applying for like going through this complete question, or what you have into your mind that you will be applying for this particular question? Let me know in the chat box. Length of n minus 1 by 2. Okay, Momin. Length of n minus 1 by 2. Absolutely right. Yes. This question was as simple as that. You just had an array with you, and into that array, what you just had to do, you just have to find the middle element, right? And as soon as you find the middle element, you will be finding the index for that middle element. Absolutely right. Yes. So yeah, this was kind of a tricky question. So this is what a tricky question is like said to you. If you find this kind of a question into your paper now, so just don't panic. This can't be the answer, which is just divide up the length n minus 1 by 2 and you will get the result. Just don't panic for this particular thing, right? So how these things work is generally you have that particular things with you in terms of all the information which is required, in terms of all the logic building and the things which are required. You just have to think about the same thing at the correct time, right? Okay, I guess that is as well done. Fine. If n by 2 starts from 1, otherwise n minus 1 by 2. Okay, Mohammed Wajid, when we talk about indexing now, so indexing automatically starts from 0 only. Okay, So in terms of that, we do not require to give any condition in terms of like it will start with 0 or 1, because indexing always starts with the 0. That is a rule over here for the indexing of any kind of the data structure you're having, linked list or maybe stacks, use whatever you have. Everywhere indexing will start from 0 only. So yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, you can just go with obviously form with 0 and minus 1 by 2, length and minus 1 by 2, right? Perfect. So let me know, guys, do you people have any questions to ask me about this particular thing about DSA? Because most probably from tomorrow we'll be starting up a new series for your DS and AI only. Okay, where we will be, I'm not very sure we'll be starting with the probability or machine learning, but I will be starting with something of the same, either probability or the machine learning. Yeah, so tell me everyone, any doubts, any questions which you people are having? How to find the second largest and second smallest number in an array without sorting? So yeah, in that case, Mohammed Wadi, without sorting, we can just try to compare up the elements. First of all, you can just try to find the biggest element, right? With the help of the searching algorithm, you can just maybe find up the biggest element. Not with the searching, we just simply apply our own loops and find the biggest element, right? And then try to compare with that biggest element, what is the least, lowest or maybe the highest number after this. You can just try applying that particular thing. So yeah, in that case, you'll be going with the two methods. First, you'll be just finding up the biggest number. Okay? Then you will be trying to check from the after the biggest number, which is the second number that we have into our complete list. Okay. Remaining all the ones will be placed between 0 and 2. And suppose that we have an array which contains elements 0, 1 and 2. Our task is to shift all the 0 in left side and shift all the 2 in right hand side. Remaining all the ones will be placed between 0 and 2. Okay. Right, 2-point approach. Absolutely right, Mohammed Wajid. So see, go to take in this respective kind of a question. You can kind of apply two loops. Or what you could do, you can just separate the 0, 1s and 2s first of all. Okay, if the array is not sorted in that case, you can just try to separate first with 0s, 1s and 2s accordingly, right? And then you can just maybe apply conditions in terms of if the number is greater than 1 or less than 1. So if it is greater than 1, it should go on to that side, or if it is less than, then it will be shifted to this side. With the plus and minus sign, you can just do that particular thing. If you have attended my classes, I remember we have done something like this, that if number is greater than this, it will shift to the right. Otherwise, it will be shifted to the left. We have done something kind of the same. Yeah, so this approach you can take in GoToText for solving this particular question. Yeah, counting the value and then storing that value. Okay, fine guys. So if you people do not have any doubts for today, so I'll be ending up the session as of now for today. If you people do not have any doubts, okay. And from tomorrow, we'll be starting up a new topic. maybe in terms of statistics, probability, or the machine learning. Okay, I would just check that out, and we'll be starting something new from tomorrow. Okay, so in that case, thank you everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you everyone for attending this live session. It was great having you all. So thank you. See you all tomorrow again, same time. Until then, thank you everyone, and take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a great evening, all of you. Most welcome, Ajit. Most welcome. And the live sessions are every day at 7 p.m. So you can just surely come over here and join out the sessions. Most welcome. Go to take. Most welcome. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Have a great evening. I hate all of you.